Good morning, Kasturians. Let's start a new topic in the file handling chapter, file handling in Python with CSV files. In our first part, we have covered text and binary file, and now in part 2, we are going to cover CSV files, introduction, types of files, reading and writing operations using CSV files. Let's start with the introduction. A CSV file, commonly known as comma separated value file, is a type of plain text file. Means जिस तरीके से हम टेक्स्ट फाइल में एक कॉमन डेटा डालते हैं उसी तरीके से CSV फाइल में भी डेटा स्टोर होता है, बट विद द डिफरेंस दैट इट स्टोर्स arranged in tabular data, and if you know tabular data resembles to Excel file, so it means CSV file format is basically stored in Excel. That's why the files of CSV will open into Excel, and the standard format is defined by rows and columns, that is rows for records, columns for fields. So CSV file is having a format of Excel package. Coming to why we use CSV file, हम सब जानते हैं, हमने पहले टेक्स्ट फाइल की, बाइनरी फाइल की. नाउ द रीजंस रिक्वायर व्हाई वी रिक्वायर CSV फाइल, क्यों ज़रूरत पड़ी CSV फाइल की. And the reason behind that is very first one line for each record. That is, in CSV file, each data is stored as one line row wise, that is row and record. Secondly, the each field, that is each column, each value is separated by a comma. The third reason for CSV file is that space characters adjacent to commas are ignored. That is, कॉमा के आसपास जो स्पेस होती है वो CSV फाइल में इग्नोर हो जाती है. एंड द फोर्थ रीज़न इज फील्ड्स विद इन द कॉमास आर सेपरेटेड बाय डबल कोट्स. दैट इज़, जो फील्ड के अंदर हम डेटा डालते हैं, जो वैल्यू डालते हैं, वो हमेशा डबल कोट्स में एक्सेल में सेव होती है. कमिंग टू व्हेन टू यूज़ CSV, हमें पता है टेक्स्ट फाइल जब हम यूज़ करते हैं तो एस्काई करेक्टर फॉर्मेट आता है. बाइनरी फाइल को अगर हम यूज़ करें तो बाइनरी 0 और 1 का फॉर्मेट आता है. नाउ कम्स व्हेन टू यूज़ CSV. CSV कब कब यूज़ करते हैं, उसका फॉर्मेट कैसा होता है. सो द CSV डेटा हैज़ अ स्ट्रिक्ट टैबुलर स्ट्रक्चर. टैबुलर मीन्स टेबल, मीन्स रोज एंड कॉलम्स. द CSV file is used to transfer large database between programs. That is, text और binary files के केस में हम different programs में database को ट्रांसफ़र नहीं कर सकते, बट CSV में we can transfer large database between programs. The third reason is to import and export data to office applications. CSV के थ्रू हम import और export data को कर सकते हैं office applications, different office applications की फाइल से, जैसे कि हम Excel से करते हैं. And the fourth is to store, manage and modifying different things, like it is having various applications, shopping cart, catalog file and many more when we were having CSV file format. Coming to advantages, जिस तरीके से हमने देखा CSV फाइल का रीज़न क्यों था यूज़ करने का, हम कब कब यूज़ करते हैं, वैसे ही CSV फाइल के बहुत सारे एडवांटेजेस भी हैं एज़ कम्पेयर टू टेक्स्ट एंड बाइनरी फाइल. द वेरी वन इज़ फास्टर टू हैंडल. बहुत ईजीली एक्सेस होता है, रिट्रीव होता है, हैंडल हो जाता है CSV फाइल का डेटा. सेकेंड एडवांटेज इज इट इज़ स्मॉलर इन साइज. मेमोरी में साइज कम ऑक्यूपाई करती है CSV फाइल. CSV इज़ ईजी टू जनरेट, ईजिली क्रिएट की जा सकती है CSV फाइल. इट इज़ ह्यूमन रीडेबल एंड ईजी टू एडिट मैनुअली. हम CSV फाइल को आसानी से पढ़ सकते हैं, एक्सेल में जाके चेंजेस भी आसानी से कर सकते हैं, कट कॉपी पेस्ट डेटा का मैनुअली ईजिली हो जाता है. CSV इज सिंपल टू इम्प्लीमेंट एंड पार्स. वो आसानी से बन जाती है, आसानी से क्रिएट हो जाती है और आसानी से लोड हो जाती है मेमोरी में. एंड द लास्ट एडवांटेज इज CSV इज प्रोसेस्ड बाय ऑलमोस्ट ऑल एग्जिस्टिंग एप्लीकेशंस. जितनी भी एप्लीकेशंस है एक्सेल के अलावा और भी, उनमें CSV फाइल इजीली इंपोर्ट हो जाती है, एक्सपोर्ट हो जाती है और प्रोसेसिंग भी बहुत फास्ट होती है. बट एज वी वर हैविंग एडवांटेजेस, वी वर हैविंग सम डिसएडवांटेजेस ऑल्सो. एंड द डिसएडवांटेज सेज नो स्टैंडर्ड वे टू रिप्रेजेंट बाइनरी डेटा. हम जानते हैं CSV फाइल एक टेक्स्ट फाइल की तरह है जिसमें कॉमा लग जाता है बीच में, तो CSV फाइल बाइनरी डेटा को रिप्रेजेंट नहीं कर सकती. The second disadvantage is there is no distinguish between text and numeric values. क्यों? क्योंकि CSV फाइल में सिर्फ एक डिलिमिटर है हमारा कॉमा. वो टेक्स्ट और न्यूमेरिक वैल्यू सबको एक बराबर समझता है और बीच में कॉमा लगाता है फील्ड्स या कॉलम्स के बीच में. द थर्ड डिसएडवांटेज इज पुअर सपोर्ट ऑफ स्पेशल करैक्टर्स एंड कंट्रोल करैक्टर्स. एज कॉमा इज अ स्पेशल करैक्टर, तो CSV फाइल में स्पेशल करैक्टर्स को कोई अलग से ट्रीटमेंट नहीं मिलता. वो एज यूजुअल एक कॉमन डेटा की तरह ट्रीट होते हैं. उनका कोई अलग से सपोर्ट सिस्टम नहीं है स्पेशल करैक्टर्स पे. द फोर्थ डिसएडवांटेज इज CSV अलाउज टू मूव मोस्ट बेसिक डेटा ओनली. पहले के 3 डिसएडवांटेजेस से लिंक करता हुआ ही फोर्थ डिसएडवांटेज है कि ना तो इसमें बाइनरी डेटा रिप्रेजेंट होता है, ना ही टेक्स्ट और न्यूमेरिक वैल्यूज़ में कोई अलग से डिस्टिंग्विश होता है, और ना ही कोई कंट्रोल है स्पेशल करैक्टर्स पे. तो क्या बचा कि CSV फाइल में हम सिर्फ बेसिक डेटा डाल सकते हैं जो कि कॉमा से सेपरेट हो सकता है, एक्सेल की टेबल रोज में सेव हो सकता है. एंड द लास्ट इंपॉर्टेंट डिसएडवांटेज इज कॉम्प्लेक्स कॉन्फ़िगरेशन. यानी हम मैथमेटिक्स की इक्वेशंस, हम फिज़िक्स के न्यूमेरिकल्स, हम केमिस्ट्री के रिएक्शंस को इसमें ना इंपोर्ट कर सकते हैं ना एक्सपोर्ट कर सकते हैं. ये सिंपल सा बेसिक डेटा ही यूज़ करता है CSV में. सो we learned some advantages, that is it is faster, easy readable. We came to know some disadvantages also for CSV file. Let's move to different types of CSV files. CSV files are basically of 4 types. The very first common is CSV only. The second one is CSV with Unicode of 8 bits, means 1 byte. Third one is CSV when we used on Macintosh operating system, and the fourth one of CSV type is when we use in disk operating system. So CSV files are of different types, are of basically 4 types. Coming to the basic format, the basic format of CSV file is a Excel file format only. That is rows for record and columns for fields. And when we retrieve this file format, when we retrieve the data from the CSV file, the data is shown with a comma in between values. That is, for example, here on the screen we were having roll number, comma name, comma age, comma class, comma section, and comma is known as delimiter to separate the values. Coming to working with CSV files, or you can say the basic operations of CSV files. So as all the files in file handling, we require some basic operations, we deals with some basic operations. So same way CSV file also have opening of files, reading data from the files, writing, inserting data into the files, adding data into the files, that is appending data at the end, and closing the file, which is very most important, that once the file is open it has to be closed after processing it. Coming to opening, opening requires 3 parameters: file name with a CSV extension, the file access mode, and the file handler. The syntax gives you an idea about the CSV file opening function. The open function with the file name, so the file name must have a CSV extension, as the example says ts.csv. It must have a mode. We are having R by default, that is read mode, and we must have a file handler or a file object, as we were having an example, my file is the file handler. Coming to different file modes, as we were having modes in text files, we were having modes in binary files, so we were having modes in CSV files also. R means reading, R plus means both reading and writing, W means writing only, whereas W plus means writing and reading both. A means appending, that is adding new data, inserting new data at the end of the file, and A plus means appending and reading both. So in this way a CSV file is having 6 modes. Coming to the reading part, so we have done opening of CSV file. Now coming after opening, the second operation, reading of CSV file. So reading of CSV file involves 4 steps. It follows one by one 4 steps. The very first one is loading, means opening a CSV file. The second one is parsing, it means removing its delimitation, that is the delimiter has to be removed from the data. The third one is loading in Python iterable, means in Python looping statement we have to load it, and the last one is we have to read from that looping statement. So reading files involves 4 steps. Coming to reading using reader function. So as we were having functions for text file also, for binary files also, we were having reader function for reading from CSV file. So we required first thing to import the CSV module, and in the next we required to open the CSV file with a read mode, and then the reader function is used to read data, and that data can be shown on the output screen by using the looping statement. So in this way the 4 different steps are there: to import it, to open the CSV file, to parse it, to remove the delimiter, to read the CSV file data using iterable, and then to show the iterable statements for the data retrieval on the output screen. Coming to CSV file can be read it in different ways also. That is, we can read the data one by one, and we can even skip the heading also. And in the end, we can even show how many rows, how many records have been read it from the CSV file, which has been a basic file format of Excel, that is tabular format. So the screen shows you a program that how to read a data, how to skip the heading, that is heading can be skipped by using next function. So next CSV reader means skip that first line and move to the next. So the heading line is skipped and the first record is read it from the CSV file, and then by row we can read the records, and in the end we can show the number of total records read it by the CSV file. So coming to writing files, the next operation of the CSV file, that is writing. A CSV file can be written by using writer function, and obviously the mode should be W. So the W mode is required when we open the file. So the examples gives you an idea. My file being the file handler, open function to open ts.csv file, and W means to open for writing purpose. So let's come to the writing part of CSV file. As we were having a reader function, we were having a writer function also, which indicates that a CSV file has to be open and text data has to be written in CSV file. So CSV file is there, and we open the CSV file with the mode W. So we were having it writer function, we were having writer row, we were having it different rows to write the function, and by using this we can have it writer in that memory writing the CSV file inside the Excel format. Let's have a look how we can do this program in a Python programming. We will start the Python programming language. I will open the Python programming file, and we are going to write the program in the Python file as it is given on our screen. Here we have a Python programming file. So we have written the same program in a Python program. So we have written the very first statement, import CSV. We have written a header. Header means the heading, ID, name, address, and zip. So we were having rows. 1 row, 2 row, 3 row, 4 row, and 5 row. And if you see clearly, the rows are in the form of a list, as we were having square brackets. So it is a nested list with 5 rows of data, and these 5 rows we are going to write in a CSV file, and the file name is customer.csv. So with open function is used, we written the file name customer.csv. We have written it the W mode, WT mode as F, and F is a file handler. So with this file handler we have opened this customer.csv, and now we are writing this 5 rows in this customer.csv using this writer function. So we have a parameter csv.writer f. F is a file handler, and we are writing quoting csv.quote all. So all these rows are going to be written within this customer.csv, and then we have written csv write row. So row wise we are writing first the header and then all the 5 rows, and then the message appears rows written in CSV file on the output screen, because the output screen doesn't show the CSV file to be open. For that we require the Excel package, Excel application to be open. Let's execute this file. I press F5. We go to, or we can say we can go to run. F5. I am going to press it, and you can see the output screen shows rows written in CSV file. So the message has been written that all this data has gone to CSV file. When I close this part, we can open it the Excel file, that is customers.csv. Let's minimize this Python screen and see. Here is the concept. So the ID, name, address and zip being the header, and all these 5 lists which we have in the form of nested lists and rows, it is saved in the CSV file, and the name is customers.csv. So this customer is a Excel file format, and in this those 5 rows have been saved as rows and columns, and with the heading we are saved as header. That's all for today's topic. I hope you will be able to understand the concept of CSV file, the reading and writing operations in CSV file, and how the CSV file is saved in the Excel format as .csv, and we can open the same in the Excel file. So revise the concept. Have a nice day.